Hi, welcome to First Choice. My name is Martin Dagnall. I'm the technical trainer here at First Choice Training, and today we're going to talk to you a little bit about your Rationale self-cooking centre. And what we're going to concentrate on is your cleaning cycle for your Rationale. Obviously from First Choice here we supply you with all your cleaning chemicals required for the Rationale units, and today we're going to concentrate on what those cleaning chemicals are. So on your self-cooking centre here, I want to give you a little bit of an overview of what the cleaning system does. Now there are two different types of tablets that you'll find that you need for the self-cooking centre. There's a detergent tablet that goes inside the oven, and I'm going to show you where in a moment. And also there's what we call a care tablet, which actually goes in a little blue drawer on the front of the unit here. Now the care tablets are designed to incorporate with the cleaning process on the Rationale actually a maintenance process for the steam generator that's used to create the steam for the oven. So in areas where we have hard water, we can build up limescale in that steam generator, and that can lead to quite hefty maintenance visits required. But with the Rationale self-cooking centre, the care tablets actually maintain that steam generator for you every time you wash the unit. So when you actually put your unit onto a wash, and I'm going to show you how to do that in a moment, the first thing the unit will ask you to do is remove any grids and containers from inside the oven. So you'll take out your trays, or any other containers that you have inside the oven. Also remove any food debris that may be in the bottom of the oven, especially around the outlet drain there. So if there's old potatoes, carrots, bits like that, move food debris out. You'll also find that to insert the tablets into the oven, you actually need to open up this side rack. These side racks need to stay in the oven during the cleaning process. They're an integral part to the cleaning. But to open this side rack, you just need to lift it and you can twist it out. I'll show you how to do that. And with the side rack open, we can then see in the front of the fan baffle there's a little basket here, and that's where we're going to put the detergent tablets in a little while. But also, just to give you an overview of what the unit does, during the cleaning process it sprays water into the oven, and it comes from a nozzle in the top of the oven here, and that water drops down and it's supposed to hit on this left hand side rack. So it's important this rack is in position. That allows the water to break up and it gets sucked into the circulation fan through the centre of the fan baffle, and then it gets dispersed all around the interior cabinet of the oven. Okay, so when we talk about the tablets that you'll need, there are two types. There is the detergent tablet. Now these are in a little red and silver packet, and they come in a bucket of 100 tablets when you purchase them. And you'll also need the care tablets, these little blue packets. The blue packets of care tablets come in a bucket of 150 packets. But what you'll actually find in the blue packets is there's actually 4 tablets, and you'll see that later on when I empty the packet into the drawer. But when the unit asks for 1 times or 2 times, it's asking for packets of, not single tablets. So you'll see when I actually load the tablets into the drawer later, I'll tip the whole packet in. Now, our detergent tablets in the red and silver packet, you take that out of the packet and it goes into our little basket in the fan baffle here. Our care tablets, the blue ones here, again open the packet and you tip them into the little blue drawer on the front. Very important to remember that even though these care tablets are there to maintain the steam generator with regards to hard water and limescale, they also have a major process to play during the cleaning of the oven. So your unit will always ask you for at least 1 packet of care tablets for every clean where it's using detergent, because these tablets are also used as a rinse tablet and they neutralise the chemical detergent from the cleaning process. Okay, so you've finished your day's cooking with your oven. Now you want to clean and maintain your unit. So at the end of the day, the idea is that you go to this symbol here, which is the Clean Jet and Care symbol, and it takes you to this efficient care control page. And what you'll actually find is during the cooking processes that you've used throughout the day, this cleanliness display at the bottom here will actually go from clean to dirty. And depending on how far and how much the oven's been used, the oven will actually recommend to you the cleaning cycle that it wants you to put it on. And it will do that by putting a little rationale symbol on the cleaning mode that's recommended here. Now, when you select a cleaning mode, for example, let's select a light clean, what you'll actually find is the unit again prompts you to remove any grids and containers from the oven. It also tells you how many packets of tablets to put in, and it also just prompts you again to show you that the red tablets go inside the oven and the blue tablets go in the drawer, and you're going to see me do that in a moment. Okay, so you've seen me place the tablets into the oven, the detergent tablets in the fan baffle and the care tablets in the blue drawer here. I've closed the side rack here. Very important that that's closed and locked back into position. And then all I need to do to start the cleaning program is close the oven door. Okay, so we left our oven cleaning. The idea is that when you put the oven onto a clean at the end of the day, you can actually walk away and leave the oven then. You can go home if you like, because the unit, when it's finished cleaning, will automatically go into standby mode. So we've come back to the unit now and it's finished its cleaning and it's gone into standby mode. As soon as I operate the unit, open the door or touch the screen, it will tell me that the cleaning was complete, and I can just press the back arrow, takes me back to the home screen. I've got a clean, dry oven ready to cook.